Today I want to show you two more tessellations, and you're probably looking at this one thinking, wait a minute, Larry, what have you got there? And I'll tell you what I have is I have right 30-60 right triangles. 30-60 right triangles. Well, what have you got there? I have 30-60 right triangles. I did this before I thought of the idea of using a shape all the same size to make a tessellation. But when I look at this, I realize, well, had I not put these small 30-60 triangles, lines around them, that I would have had a large 30-60 right triangle. So I know that I could actually do one with a 30-60 right triangle this size, and it would completely fill in the surface and tessellate the hexagon. The other design I want to show you, it looks like this. Here's a bigger 30-60 right triangle. And I started drawing up at this end, and I was drawing them in, and I thought, boys, that's sort of lovely. It looks maybe like a bit of a stained glass window. And then I started down here, and I put that there, and then the next thing you know, I put that in there and that in there, and then, well, I matched them. I said, if you look at it from just this part and were to extend it the whole way, you could get one that looks like this. Or if you took the bottom part and had it flipped over, the mirror image along this line, flip it over, you could have a window that looks like this. Or, I guess, if you're undecided as to what you would like, and that often happens, you could have a window like the first one. Now, for the design for today. Design for today, as I mentioned, is a star inside the circle, which we've used as a hexagon, so it's not a good really to name this as star in a hexagon number 5. It's much better to give it a name of the person who came up with it. That person's name was Linnea. She was in the 4th or 5th grade at the time. We had started and made this design, so let me run through the steps to you, because all the steps are here. First of all, we know to circle, we know to mark off distance of the radius to get equal arcs around the outside. And we make those 2 points. We draw our line through the center, through the center, through the center, gives us these points. And then we come down and draw alternately to this point and skip a point and come to this and back up. And we get a big size triangle. And we do the same here, over, skipping, skipping, get another size triangle. And it gives us these 6 triangles around the outside. And that's where I'd started this design with people. And I think I just left it to them to color it in. Well, everybody maybe colored these in, maybe alternate colors, and they colored those in. But Linnea did this. She just took her eraser and she said, I am going to eliminate a line, and that will give a different view of things. So she took and with her eraser, she erased this line and that line. And I said we'd be needing our erasers again because there's a bit of erasing, and there is. and she got that shape. But she said that shape is a shape that's around the whole 6 points. So her star ended up looking almost like a 6-pointed pinwheel. I'll show you what I mean directly. Let me just erase these. I'm erasing them, that line and the one on the left each time. I could have erased that line, the one on the right each time, and it would have resulted with the same shape. Which makes me think of something rather funny. I'll share that with you in just a second. Now, by doing it this way, in the pinwheel, everyone remembers how the pinwheel works. You just blow into it and it spins around and around. So here's a colored version. I used yellow, red, and blue, the primary colors, and then got the secondary colors in between, the green, the orange, and the purple. But what I was thinking of was if you did, so you see the idea of the pinwheel, and it's as though you could blow and it would rotate and spin. If it was spinning fast enough, would you get white? That's a question from physics. The colors of the rainbow, and would they going around fast enough just blend and well, there's something to think about. The other that I hadn't occurred to me until we were just talking about it here. And the other thing is that did occur to me was if she'd made half of these go to the right and the other half go to the left, would that mean that if you blew on it, the three that were going that way would want to go that way, but the other three that were wanting to go this way would want to go this way, and would it just stand still then? Oh, boys, I hate to leave you with some thoughts like that, but until next time, when we're going to do a design that I think you'll enjoy a lot, enjoy playing around with shapes.